If you know you, you will become Paramashiva. If you know me, you will become Paramashiva. If you know Paramashiva, you will become Paramashiva. In these three, even if you know any one completely, you will become Paramashiva. You will achieve Paramashivatva. My whole effort is to make you realize all three, not just one, all three. You, me, he. All three. Understand? I am going to give you whatever you want, not to prove my Paramashivatva, but to prove your Paramashivatva. Understand, my priority is not to prove my Paramashivatva. I have already proved enough. Nothing more to prove. Whether my contribution or the way I withstood the attack, I have already proved I am Paramashiva. Now I am going to make you manifest whatever you want to prove your Paramashivatva, not my Paramashivatva. That is not my first priority. My first priority is your Paramashivatva.
I always had this doubt, Paramashivoham Swamiji won't be physically present there, because all the previous two programs, 2016 I have attended Sadashivoham, 2017 Mahasadashivoham, and this is the third Inner Awakening, which is Paramashivoham. So when I first attended Sadashivoham itself, there were so many breakthroughs, and I never felt I'm on this plane of earth. I felt as if I'm in a different dimension, exactly Kailasha, and lot of transformation and inner awakening happened. I used to meet people there, and each one would do 3 times inner awakening, 4 times inner awakening, 7 times inner awakening, 11 times inner awakening. I would wonder, why are these people doing again and again the same program? Because I was clueless, because that was my first program. Then as the next December 2017 approached, I was very tempted and I enrolled myself into Mahasadashivam. That's when I realized realizing yourself or self-realization is not like, now you realize yourself and you're done. Basically, it goes on expanding. The consciousness is not at a point, oh, this is ultimate. It's like beginningless, endless shaft of light of Sadashiva. That's what the consciousness can expand into. So each time Swamiji upgraded me, expanded me, empowered me, and enriched me to a next level. So that's when I could understand how these programs are so powerful and effective to literally make you powerful beings for what you're meant to. So when Swamiji says E is more than E is equal to MC square, generally people who are very limited by their gross mind and body limitations can't really grasp what he's saying. He means to say consciousness keeps on expanding. It is not constant. It can be upgraded. So you need a intelligence to understand Swamiji's concepts, and he's literally taking you to your own dimension of where you can be the expansive consciousness or the divine being for what you're meant to be. So let me come back to this program, Paramashivoham. So, of course, I never had a slightest of doubt that Swamiji would definitely do 200% of what he's saying. He said, if you experience me in 1 unit in my physical form, you will experience me in 1,000 units in Paramashivoham. I had no doubt. I knew that is true. But I was just feeling, how will I be, satisfied by him not being there. But after coming, this is the second day of Paramashivoham, and believe me, I'm not exaggerating. I felt Swamiji in the darshan in the most powerful way. I saw him with all the gods and goddesses powerfully giving darshan, and our Kundalini rising, and it's I can't tell, there are no words, because till I experienced, even I couldn't understand what this program is, but I'm ready for Swamiji. I just know how to say yes for Swamiji and my enlightenment, and to cause that enlightenment to the whole humanity. So it's literally a kind of a mind-boggling experience what I'm having here, and I'll keep you updated as it advances, but you have to be here to believe what this is. The darshan is something like right from the Kailasha. For all the goddesses I could see in Swamiji, literally transforming one to another. As he says, his body is a limitation. Actually, his Divya Sarira, the Turiya Tita state, is what we are experiencing. We are really blessed to be here. See you all, guys.
Due to one of the greatest blessing Paramashiva gave, religious freedom and political freedom for me, I'm going to reveal the truths completely as it is. Understand? That is the unique, important component in this program, Paramashivoham. First time you are hearing Nityananda.